Open the device. Pour water into the water inlet. Connect the water filter valve. Connect the device to a 6000 watt AC power source. 6000 watts for 380 volts AC. Turn right to open the equipment emergency stop switch. Turn on the system and water cooling switches. When the water temperature at the water cooler rises above 25 degrees, turn on the laser button of the equipment. Turn on the gun head switch. Open the gun head cover after the indicator light flashes, and double-click the button to emit light. Choose the right language. Modify system parameters according to the material being cleaned. Cleaning effect display.